Windows 11 freezing randomly can be one of the most frustrating things ever. First, click on the Start button and type Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app. Now on the left side, click on Device Security. Here you will see an option called Core Isolation. Click on Core Isolation Details. Inside this menu, you will find a setting called Memory Integrity. If it is turned on, turn it off. Memory Integrity is a virtualization-based security feature that isolates core processes, while it improves security. After reboot, let's tweak your power settings for performance stability. Open the Start menu again. Type Power Plan, click on Choose a Power Plan, then click on Change Plan Settings next to your current plan. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings in the new window. Expand Processor Power Management. Then expand Minimum Processor State, set both on battery and plugged into 100%. Next, expand System Cooling Policy, make sure it is set to Active. Finally, expand PCI Express. Then expand Link State Power Management. Set it to Off, click Apply. Then OK, click on Start, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type these two commands exactly one by one, press Enter. This scans all protected system files and automatically replaces any corrupted versions with healthy copies. When the scan completes, restart your PC. That's it. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more advanced Windows guides. Thanks for watching.